Next up from McCarthy's Bar in Daingean, going to get fought the word Síle and Dheargáin. I'm going to say something to everyone here first of all, Síle, just to put everything straight. Every time I see Síle, I feel old.
Why is that like?
When Síle was in first year in the presentation convent in Daingean back in 1997, I was her Irish teacher. And I was her history teacher.
And there's 2 more from the last year as well.
Some things haven't changed, you're still shouting. And I'm still telling you to be quiet. Where's your homework? What's not the way, man? No, it's not the way anymore. You're teaching yourself now.
Yeah,
and this.
Yeah.
Lovely. In Ennis.
In
And how long have you been teaching?
This is my 3rd year now.
3rd year. And where did you go to college?
In the art college.
In art college. And you know the way it's if you do a BA in certain places like UCC or UCD, if you want to do the HDiv, when you go to the art college, do you actually do it all in one, or do you actually have to go off and do the DIP as well?
No, at the art college you do 2 years in graphic design, and then you go further into graphic design, and then you do an extra year then for the HDiv. So 5 years actually.
So obviously you're an inspirational art teacher.
Oh yes, definitely. Should think it was great teachers.
You left the Irish and the history behind you.
I wonder why.
Thanks very much, No, also, not only did I teach you, but I went to college with your brother. We were in the same year in college. That's Declan.
Who was late tonight? He ran up past the roses as we were coming in.
Of course, it's his first time either. But tell us what Declan said during the week when you told him that you were going to the Kerry Rose.
You see, after the Daily Show, everybody was saying how famous he was. So then he was saying we were going to be talking about him up on stage.
Yes. So it's all about Declan.
It's all about Declan.
Yeah, and he still hasn't got married. I can't say much myself, I suppose. Oh, jeez, what is that one?
You walked yourself into that one.
And walk myself right out again. We spoke about the Daily Show, of course, it's the show that I was doing all winter. And there's actually Chiarraí down there as well, who works with Brian. Probably there, she went from the Daily Show to Radio Kerry, so the best of that, Ciara. But we had a piece every Friday where we sent world champion, ex-world champion boxer Bernard down to do different ancient Irish sports, and we sent him collaborating with you.
Yeah, Bernard came down, I suppose, about 2 months ago now, to Chiarraí to the rowing club I set up there in Fergus. So, didn't realise he was going to be as competitive as he was, so I put him into a boat with 2 of our best rowers from some race. Let's just say he wasn't too impressed with me, the boy. We had a bit of a scuffle. So.
I think he was beaten, wasn't he?
He was beaten, well, not by much now. He picked it up so fast.
Yeah.
It was unreal. So.
He picked it up fast, and that's a round in boxing.
Yeah.
But all the stuff he done, I think the road bowling stuff that he's fiercely content. Yeah. But a really genuinely nice fella though.
Yeah, very nice. I mean, with every kid that was there, he stopped to take photographs. He was super nice. He sat into the club photograph, and he was brilliant there, and it was a great buzz from the club. Like for me, when I set it up, it was hard going with the community there. Chiarraí was brilliant, and everybody got behind me. So to have Bernard Dunn come down and then have Chiarraí just celebrate the whole club and everything was great.
Because that river's tidal. It's a Carrigan Fergus, is it?
No, it's the River Fergus.
The River Fergus.
Yeah.
It's tidal though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can't go wrong on it.
Yeah, it's we need to just check the times all the time. So every off week we can go.
It's like the kind of PE below the hill. You can only go playing football for time is out. And so you've done the Thames Great River Race a few years back, but I went on another journey from the Cork Ocean to City Race.
Yeah, about 3 weeks time now. I'm expected to go rowing 15 miles.
15 miles?
Yeah, so from Roghnaíodh to Cork City. So that should be fun.
It should be fun.
Nice and so rapid, I think.
I say so. And who's going to be in the boat, is it?
2 girls from Chiarraí and 2 sisters, basically. They're great. They're my new crew up there, so they're great fun.
Are they minding you up there?
Of course they are,
yeah. You have crazy dreams, Síle. Now we all know that Queen is the second came to Ireland during the week. What dream did you have? This is a real dream. This isn't a Martin Luther King, I had a dream thing either. This is actually a dream. She goes to bed, goes to sleep, you know the picture. What happened?
Like my dreams can be absolutely mental. I'd be out to mom in the morning and I'd be telling her she'd be waiting for me to come down because mine are just off the walls.
This is like across the room, like in front of you.
But I don't know what we were watching, but after watching The Wind of Chicks and Barley, I went to bed and I was after chatting to Dad for a while. I must have been anyway. And the Póil ambush, it was a reunion of it or something, and Dad was really involved in it. So I went to bed anyways. I got up in the morning and I was telling Dad about my dream that the black and tans were chasing us and we were lying down on the floor and there was guns going everywhere and Dad bombed the black and tans Jeep and all. It was just mental. It's normal for me though, actually.
Wasn't this on patrol, Jeep, no? And you were also, you were the electric chair.
Yeah, myself and Eird and the electric chair at one stage even. Yeah, and I've had elevators sinking underneath me and all sorts. Mad stuff.
There's people who talk about this, you know.
Declan told me he's going to line your book and I'm going to write all my dreams.
So my Declan, he'll be late, I don't know whatever he does. And then your wife will call.
I do.
Your mother makes a special plan for it.
She does, she's some spoiled, so she does.
There you have it, no. Can you make
He's over there somewhere, it's embarrassing.
Where is he? Oh, how are you doing? Oh, jeez, nice shorts and everything. What's that there?
Oh, she's mad about it.
Mad about it. But he's not very romantic, you said earlier on.
He wouldn't be the best now.
So when he was kissing everyone else, as in to wish you luck, obviously, what did he do? What did he do for you?
Well, I have two lovely little nieces, and every time I leave the house, they give us a kiss. And then I kissed Tina, Mom, Dad, everybody. Went over to Colin and shook my hand.
How very professional of you. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from this moment, sponsored by McCarthy, Síle, everyone. Shaking hands, Jesus, push the board out there. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next rose.